Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, magso-solve tayo ng isang derivative involving exponentials, no? So we have here y equals e to the x cosine 2x. So e to the x cosine 2x. So yung outer function natin, outermost function is e to the x. Tama? And then yung susunod natin is x cosine 2x. Okay? So let's apply the chain rule, no? So y prime equals, kunin natin muna yung derivative na outermost function, e to the x, no? So e to the x, ang derivative ng e to the x is just e to the x. So this is e to the x cosine 2x. And then we get the derivative ng numerator. Yun yung susunod natin, no? So derivative ng numerator is using the product rule, no? This is using the product rule. So product rule is d left right times d right left. Okay? So times x, derivative ng cosine 2x is negative sine 2x. Pero, cosine 2x here is another composite function. So, multiply natin ulit yung nasa loob. So, that is times 2, derivative ng 2x. Plus, cosine 2x times derivative ng x is just 1. No? So, we have here the derivative ng e to the x cosine 2x is e to the x cosine 2x times negative 2x sine 2x plus cosine 2x. Okay, so here we had an example kung saan nagamit natin yung chain rule, product rule sa pagkuha ng derivative ng exponential function. Okay, so see you in the next video.